According to an article I found on the U.S. National Library of Medicine National Institutes of Health, waste management is critical to human development and health outcomes, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Waste management services provide immeasurable amounts of assistance in order to make our world a safer, cleaner, and healthier place. This industry in particular is one of the many reasons COVID-19 did not cause any more damage than it did. Due to the enormous amounts of gloves, masks, protective clothing, and single-use plastics, waste has grown exponentially since COVID-19 started. Sarkodie and Owusu, writers for the U.S. National Library of Medicine and National Institutes of Health, they mention that failure to properly manage the waste generated from health facilities and households may escalate the spread of COVID-19 via secondary transmission. It is scary to think about the dangers of being infected with COVID-19 simply due to proper disposal of waste. According to NUA Campus, prior to the pandemic, waste management was already struggling to keep up with the rubbish that was being produced, from the over 2 billion people lacking access to waste collection areas and over 3 billion people not having access to waste disposal in general. In order to combat the waste that has been produced, many companies have been asked and have stepped up in providing organic and biodegradable solutions to help mitigate waste because multi-use options have been banned in public establishments. The NUA campus also explains that the risk of COVID-19 spreading through waste can be prevented. Waste from confirmed COVID-19 patients is considered infectious, so standard procedures for infectious waste should be maintained and reinforced. By practicing proper waste management, we as leaders can also help this industry overcome the environmental damages pre- and post-COVID-19. It is our duty to help take care of the world in which we live. By practicing better ecologically friendly habits, by utilizing washable and reusable masks, using biodegradable gloves, and personally using multi-use utensils in our homes, we can begin to create a shift in the current pattern. Because of the impact COVID-19 has had on the waste management industry, it is also important to understand what state and federal policies were in place pre-COVID and what has changed post-COVID. Stephanie, I will pass this topic off to you to address these state and federal policies.